Hey, what is going on YouTube? David here, bringing you guys another quick video. I got another update today. I have update version 2022 12.3. So I'm not sure what this is, but we'll start it. We'll see what changes there are. They've been knocking out updates pretty quick recently, so I'm not too sure what's going on. Maybe some small bug fixes. Okay, never mind, I'm back. So I did a little bit more research, and I actually found out that the previous version, 2022.12.1, was supposedly recalled by Tesla, as there were some bugs in there, and they needed to actually pull that back. So 12.3 is actually supposed to be the actual update. So we're gonna let my car update and we'll check back in once this finishes. And also, for the record, my girlfriend's car, the 2021 Model 3 Long Range, did not get 2022 12.1 and also has not gotten 12.3. She hasn't gotten either one. I bought a couple more accessories. I'm going to install them in my car in the upcoming couple days. I bought a swivel mount so that the center display screen can actually rotate to the left and the right, up or down. I'm going to install that. I'll do a video on that. So make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel so that you can follow me along my Tesla ownership journey. Just a little bit of an update. This is what my car looks like right now. I haven't decided whether I want the white or the red one of these. Let me know which ones you guys think would look better in my setup. All right, I'll be back when my car finishes updating. All right, update has been completed, and just as I said, nothing is new here. Everything that was previously in the car and previously done in the car is still there. So I think this confirms the fact that Tesla probably just recalled or simply redid software version 2022 12.1 to 2022 12.3. So nothing else has really changed. Everything else should still be the same, all the child lock stuff. So that's it. So it seems like it's just a pretty insignificant update. It's just simply replacing the previous version. It's a pretty quiet and quick update. If you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing to the channel. I have my accessory video down in the link below, so feel free to take a look around. My name is David, signing off. See you guys in the next video. Bye.